I actually walked up on it defrosting.
Why does it keep going on?
Because someone hasn't gotten to their car yet.
Oh.
I actually walked up on the Amana defrosting.
That might be distracting for the board.
Yeah, I don't know why the... Some idiot doesn't know how to work with keyless entry. And I don't think we're going to get this one defrosting. This one never defrosts. There's a Sedona minivan over there with its alarm going off. And I actually walked up on that damn thing steaming. I can't tell if it's frozen up or not. First HVAC video with my new camera. Alright, flashlight. Oh, I don't think it's frozen. Ream and Amana heat pumps running in heat mode. Try and get that on YouTube tonight. I can't even tell if this is I don't think it's frozen. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.